YouTube? Welcome back to a new daily vlog. It is your bitch. What is happening, you guys? Today is Thursday, October 13th. And I just got done editing a video. So I had like kind of skipped a day of Vlogtober and did like a sit down video. And that was really smart of me because I was able to like film the video, edit the video, and get it uploaded the same day. So I may include a little more sit down videos for Vlogtober because it's easier content for me to just push out. So if you have any ideas of what I can do, let me know. I gotta film one video. It's kind of sponsored-ish. But other than that, like, that's it. So that is the vibe. I did post a new vlog today, so be sure to check that out. I know people have commented on it, but I haven't responded yet. I really hate not responding to comments so fast. Like, I don't want to feel like that entitled bitch. So I try to respond to comments like as soon as I get them. But I've been so laser focused on editing this video. So I'm gonna go meet y'all in the comments, period, and talk to y'all. I just really posted it, girl, and went back to editing. So that's another thing. Like, I don't like to get my videos out too late. It's 5 o'clock. I think it's been up an hour already. Because it seems like the later I put my videos out, the worse they do. I don't know. But yeah, I did a little get ready with me. I did my makeup. I did my hair, you know. Something real basic. Excuse me, tomorrow is Friday. We are debating on if we're getting a car or not because I've been looking on Turo for some options. And that is it, y'all. Like, I am debating on what I want to eat because I am a little hungry and I really want to go out to eat. But I can't spend no money, bitch. Okay, bills. As much as I want to go and blow my bank account right now, I can't. So, I don't know. Ravioli it is, you know. Who knows? Stop. But, yeah, y'all. I just wanted to start this daily vlog. It's really nothing going on today. I don't have nothing to do for this vlog. I'm not really doing anything. I was going to go to the mall. I might do that. Well, I was just going to go get some food from the mall. You know how you get, like, mall food, that Chinese food? I was going to do that. Neriah. Girl, she love to get on my nerves, especially when I'm vlogging. She just antagonized me when I'm talking to the camera. Stop. So I might go get some mall food. Do you call it mall food? I call it mall food, but you know, like that Chinese food, bitch. And that's about it. Yeah, I might go to the mall. I might go to the mall real quick because I literally stay 10 seconds away. So, yeah, I guess I'll see y'all when we get there. Go get us some food. And, yeah. We hug and yes, we make love and always just say goodnight. We cuddle, sure do love it, but I need your lips all night. Can you kiss me, boy? We're so young.
Brick, you know that control don't slow the pace if I throw back all this ass for real. I'ma make you feel fantasy and weird, but it's all I can. Can you kiss me, boy? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, oh.
Hey y'all, it's the next day. It's clearly the next day. Okay, I didn't show y'all my food, but it was good. It was good. Today's Friday. I am trying to get a picture in. I broke a nail today. I'm gonna go take a picture for Instagram. I'm being pressured to post on Instagram. I haven't posted a picture in a minute, so I'm finna do my makeup and just do a quick photo real quick for Instagram. And then we're going to the grocery store. So we're trying to get all this done before we got to pick up our child. And it's like 11 o'clock. I swear, like, it's just like, I feel like the time the kids be in school, it be so fast. Why does the time go by so fast when your child's at school? I don't know. But that's the vibe. I'm gonna do my makeup, my hair real quick, and yeah, just head out and get a picture in. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Just wanted to check in with y'all. Ain't shit really going on. I don't know why I'm feeling so tired. But yeah, and I'm not trying to do nothing too fucking crazy at all. I'm just trying to get a picture. Okay, hey y'all, I'm back. So we're ready to go to the mall. Get these pictures in. I'm starting to regret this like side bang thing, but this is what I'm wearing, just something basic. I don't know if I'm gonna take a body photo. Yeah, I don't know. And then I'm blind, so I mean I have my glasses, but like I hate wearing my glasses after I do my makeup because it's gonna leave some dents. Anyway, I'll see y'all when we get to the mall. Even though it's like literally right there, like we're catching an Uber because I'm not gonna sweat my makeup off for nobody. Okay, nobody. So Cinnabon didn't have as much shape.
She said she wanted it.
Hey y'all, so I took some pictures. I'm not really feeling how I look on my outfit right now. Kind of bummed, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why, but I just didn't like how none of them came out. I got a few pictures that I can work with, but we're just sitting here at the food court. The baby get out of school in like an hour, so we're just hanging out here until she get out of school, and then we're gonna go to Chilli'S later. So yeah, that is the vibe. Not really much going on. I'm trying not to get nothing big to eat because we're gonna go to Chilli'S in like an hour, but I'm about to get something to eat.
My nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all dirt on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga out rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spending on business and spending and spending and spending until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you never step of help with none of you killers. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. We could've been superstars. Up and now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your...
Hey y'all. So it's been a few hours, and I'm going to end this daily vlog here because we're doing shit. I went to the mall, y'all seen that. I took some pictures, but they came out really bad. Like, I just wasn't feeling it, and I'm gonna have to try again another day, bitch, because I was just like not feeling it. I really hate how the pictures came out. And then we went to Chilli'S. Girl, Chilli'S was a hot ass mess. I would never go back. Like, it was just stank. It smelled like piss, shit, and ass. The food was just very mediocre. Not even mediocre. It was just blah. we were like there during their lunch menu, so we thought we were like, you know, getting a discount. And girl, you truly get what you pay for, okay? Because Chilli'S wasn't about nothing. And we got all that food y'all seen, and our bill came to $33, bitch. So if you see what I'm saying, like the quality of food was just garbage. Neriah, every time I vlog, you want to act like me. Go in there, girl.
Look at me, I have glasses. So.
Woo! But yeah, Chilli'S was trash. And so yeah, like that is pretty much it. It's about 5 o'clock right now. I posted a new video, so go ahead and check that out. Period. And yeah, I think I will see y'all tomorrow. I love you. Thanks so much for watching this daily vlog.
Bye.
I will see you later.
Wait. Don't. Show me.
Neriah. Bye, y'all.